Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse here with Southern Reels Fishing. Just doing a quick vlog video about our tournament, our trout tournament coming up for the Virginia area. It is part of our schedule we've been running this year, and it starts October 17th, which is a Saturday, and runs 2 weeks through October 30th. Now we're going to be doing a kickoff event at Lynnhaven Inlet, weather permitting. I'm going to bring my kayak out. My fishing group, that's really helping me put all this together, is going to come out with all their kayaks and stuff that morning. Hang out, meet a bunch of you guys, whoever shows up. If you're in the tournament, come on out, fish with us. Even if you're not in the tournament, I don't care, just come out and hang out. It'd be finally nice to meet a lot of you guys and meet you face to face. And we're going to go out in Lynnhaven and trout fish all day long. And I think it'd just be a good way to start off the tournament and just make it fun for some of you guys participating, or just people in general, honestly. So come on out, hang out with us. The way the tournament's being run is typical, just like the others. We're doing payouts 1st through 5th. There is a boat, there is a kayak division, but we have a lot of other prizes and stuff that we're giving away, since we've been very excited about this tournament, honestly, because the trout season is going to be off the hook this year. We've had 3 winters now without a freeze off. There hasn't been a big kill off of the trout population locally, so there are going to be some big trout caught this year. Actually, I went out yesterday and got on a phenomenal bite and caught some very nice trout. So yeah, it's going to be a good year. Our tournament runs a little bit later in the month compared to the TKAA's tournament, which is running right now. So please show them support. When we set up our whole series, we coordinated with them, and we are communicating back and forth, the directors of both, to make sure there are no conflicts, because professionally, that's what you should do for tournament series, is respect the others in the area. I'm kind of excited that ours is later in the month, because I think the trout bite is going to be much better, honestly, especially in the inlets. It's just now starting to warm up in Lynnhaven. Around that time frame, a couple weeks from now, it's going to be good in there. And later in the month, it's going to be moving into the Elizabeth River, where it's really good. So there's plenty of areas for you guys to get out and catch trout. Trust me, they are going to be everywhere. So we'll be doing the normal payouts 1st through 5th, and we have actually got a lot of prizes that we're going to be doing random giveaways on as well. I just want to go through some of those real quick. We got some hats that fishing group made up, some nice Southern Reels hats. I got one on right now. Got a whole bunch of stickers we're going to be giving out. Got some long sleeve SPF shirts that we've had made with our logo on it. Several of these we'll be giving away. Now some of the good prizes. Now for the kayak division, obviously this will be, I've got this Bending Branches Angler Pro carbon paddle that I won at a tournament a few years back down in Swansboro. And honestly, my kayaks are pedal drive, and my paddles take a beating. I'm not kind to them at all. I honestly feel bad even using this. Is such a nice paddle. It's like a $350 paddle that I've never had in order. It's just been in storage, so I'm offering this up as a giveaway prize for one of the random prizes in the kayak division. Very nice prize. I ain't gonna lie, that's actually the best thing we got right there, value-wise. This was donated by one of our group members, my director actually. This is a Ducket baitcaster rod, Pro Series, Timmy Horton Special. The model number is a DFP S73MH-C. It's a 7'3" medium heavy micro guide casting rod, bait casting rod. It is a very nice rod. This thing is so light. I wouldn't mind having this myself, but this will be given away in one of our random prizes. I have a Quantum S3 inshore bait caster that I purchased. This is brand new, it's never been used. This is a ATS 101 HPT. I ordered this thinking it was the newer model that had the flipping switch on it, and I'll be honest with you, this does not have a flipping switch, but this is still a very nice $130 fishing reel. Very nice blue accents on it. It is a left-hand crank. This will be given away as well, randomly, prizes. We had a aluminum catch board here. This is an expanding aluminum catch board. I think it goes up to like 54 inches or something like that. Very heavy duty. This is very nice. Actually, I like this myself. Once again, brand new in the package. This will be given away. A Naqua Adventure Gear lithium 10 amp hour Pro Series battery kit. This is the newer one now. This was donated by Naqua. They do sponsor me, so I definitely appreciate that, guys. But this kit comes with the improved contacts to resist corrosion. It also has the smart charger, which gives you the status updates right on the charger of how charged the battery is, or you can actually plug this in and see how charged the battery is to see if it really needs charging for what you're planning. It's a $110 kit, very nice. Once again, Naqua, thank you. So somebody's going to win this randomly as well. And we got gift cards and stuff like that that people are sending us, other items that we haven't gotten in yet. So it'll be well worth your time to enter the tournament. Now the entry fees are only $30. Once again, there is boat and kayak divisions. The bigger prizes will probably be given away randomly to tournament entry winners, but we are doing some prizes for largest single trout. This is going to be boat and kayak division combined. Largest single trout will win one of these very nice prizes. Smallest single trout, believe it or not, we're giving away a prize for that. Whoever catches the smallest trout out of both divisions will win a prize. We're doing most entries. Whoever can enter the most fish in the tournament will win a prize. So stuff like that, just to kind of make it fun and make it more interesting. And I'm also giving away myself personally fishing trips. So I'm giving away basically 2 fishing trips out with me. If you're in a kayak, of course, you can choose whether you want to go out with me in my boat and fish, or whether you would like to go out and kayak some fish. Or if you're in a boat, naturally you'll be going out with me in my boat and spend the day with me out on the water and just have some fun, film it, and hopefully catch a bunch of fish at the date kind of your choosing, most naturally weekends because I work still. But anyway, so I'm giving that away as well, just to hopefully promote this whole thing and make it fun. So once again, October 17th through the 30th, trout tournament, $30 to get in, lots of prizes, boat and kayak division separate. Kickoff party the 17th at Lynnhaven Inlet. I'll be there with my kayak that day. Come hang out with us. If you're in a boat, you want to hang out, that's fine. I don't care. You know, I would take both if I could. We'll be going out there fishing, having some fun. Once again, we're not making any money off of this. This actually costs us time and money more than it makes. We just love fishing, and we really want to see the sport grow. And we genuinely enjoy hanging out with you guys and just doing something fun with it all. So check us out. I think that's everything. So I got to get back to my days off work. Peace out. See you guys out there.